Hello everybody, today we make Sicilian style pizza. Okay, for the ingredient I use flour. I got a little warm water over here. This is for the dry yeast. And I got it right over here. I need a little sugar, salt, anchovy. My plum tomato I clean up already, everything. And I got an onion. And we need a little breadcrumb. At the end, we got to put on the top with a little drop of oil. Okay, now first thing we start with the dough. And this, I got the yeast over here, and we put right inside this warm water, not too hot, like a little warm. And we leave it right over here, stay over here. And now we start with the flour. I got over here the flour. Okay. And now I got over here the salt, and I use 1 teaspoon salt. I got 1 teaspoon sugar, and I got to use, it's oil di oliva, and I use 3 tablespoons. I put a little extra the oil, because this it's like it come more thick, the pizza dough. And now we got to start with the yeast, mix a little bit more. And we dump all this water with the yeast over here. And we start the mix. Now, you can see this, it's a little dry. And you can put a little bit more water. And start the mixer again. Make sure that not be too soft and not too hard. At the end, I showed what it look like. Okay, now the pizza dough, it's almost ready, but I got everything sticking in my hands. What I do, I take the clean flour, and you clean up all the pizza dough you got on your finger, like this. And after you start the mixer again, like that. But see, you got a machine, you can mix with a mix machine. But this is no lot out there, and you can do by hand like that. Okay, now this it's almost done. That's what it look like. And I want to put it right on this dish. Now, before I put on this dish, I put a drop of the oil on the bottle. And see, you don't got oil, you can use a flour, but I use the oil. And after you do, put it over here like this. And you put a little drop of oil on the top. After that, you gotta be covered, because this, you gotta grow. And we got the paper over here, and we do like this. And now this you gotta grow, you gotta stay for a couple hours. Okay, 1 hour 45 to 2 hours. Because this grow like 2 more times the size. And this That's what it look like after 2 hours. But now before we do this, I gotta do the ingredient I got over there. I got the onion, the saute with the plum tomato and anchovy. And now we go on the stove. Okay, now we put the gas on of this pot because we gotta start for the topping for the pizza. And we start with oil. We leave it warm up a little bit the oil. Okay, now let's see. Okay, good. Now everybody, the Sicilian pizza, everybody make like different. He make it with anchovy, no anchovy, he put this, but I make it like this. I like this way. Okay, now this I saute a little bit the onion. And we got the anchovy. We give a nice turn because the anchovy, it disappear, it melt all thing, the anchovy. The anchovy is so good. I like anchovy. All right, make sure to not burn the onion. You gotta be nice white like this. Okay, now I got the plum tomato, and we put it together. And we lower the flame a little bit because this now you gotta cook slow. Okay, we put a little salt, not too much because the anchovy it's salty. And we put like about a teaspoon, a little black pepper. Okay, and now okay. This now you gotta cook a little bit. The time of this we cook on low, we start to prepare the pizza. Okay, now we start with the pizza. And we put a little oil on a bottle over here. I was washing my hands nice and clean, and I spread the oil all over the place. I use parchment paper like this in no stick on the pots. It's really good. Now, I gotta use a little bit of oil on this. My hands, look at this. Look at this. Boop, boop. Oh. It looks like a mozzarella. Okay. We put it, and now we gotta make sure to spread all over the place this. Okay, this kind of the pizza, Sicilian pizza, you need a little extra oil. And this you gotta use your finger, and you make a little hole like that. Like this, the sauce, everything, it go really through. Okay, now, the time the top be ready, we leave it stay like this, get relax and grow a little bit more. Okay, now, the top, it was cooked like 13 to 14 minutes. And we put it right over here. I got a spoon, and we gotta start put on the top of the pizza. And make sure that not be too wet. You see, it's a little dry. And we start put everything. It smells really good. All right, and now we put everything, every place. Okay, now I got some breadcrumb, and we put on the top, can make the crust nice and crispy. Look how nice it look beautiful. This one I take it out for the oven. Okay, now we put oil Olio di oliva, good olio. Vedi che bello, nice color you got this oil. Okay, now this you gotta go in the oven. The oven is 400 degrees. It look beautiful. All right. And I'll take it out when it's ready. Okay, let's ready to go. Okay, look beautiful. Okay, we leave it cool off a little bit, like this, relax a little bit, and we put right on this board over here, the cutter. Okay, now let's test the pizza. Oh, it looks really beautiful now. Really hot. And I put it right over here. And I want to taste it now. Let's see, look how beautiful sponge it look like. Really, really nice. Now, it can taste the tomato and the pizza dough. The Sicilian pizza is really good. And look at that. Beautiful. It come out delicious with the type, everything, the onion, the tomato, the anchovy, and the pizza dough. It's delicious. I hope somebody make it. Thank you very much. The pizza, it's really good. Thank you, and we see you next time. Thank you. Okay, now roll the bloopers. Pizza qua e pizza là.
Go over there. Go over there.
My wife, you want to dance with me? È buona? Yeah, è buona. Ma puoi dare una pizza? No per te. La pizza l'hai già fatta per me, non per te. Tu vuoi la pizza? Fatela tu la pizza. No, look. You want to be on the picture? Come over here next to me. You want to be on the picture? Okay, now we put an oil. Okay, it's it.
Okay.
Oh. Hey, you gotta speak good English.
What's okay?
Okay, it's okay. 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 Okay, look beautiful. All right.
Wow, you're in the shot. Say now, roll the bloopers.
The what?
Say now, roll the bloopers.
Now roll the bubbles.
Bloopers.
Huh?
Roll the bloopers.
Okay, now roll the bubbles.
The bloopers.
Okay, now roll the bubbles.
Bloopers.
Bloopers.
Yeah.
Okay, now roll the bloopers. Hey.